duty cycle is the percentage of one period in which a signal is active. A period is the time it takes for a signal to complete an on and off cycle. As a formula, a duty cycle may be expressed as: where is the duty cycle, is the time the signal is active, and is the total period of the signal. Thus, a 60% duty cycle means the signal is on 60% of the time but off 40% of the time. The on time for a 60% duty cycle could be a fraction of a second, a day, or even a week, depending on the length of the period. Duty cycles can be used to describe the percent time of an active signal in an electrical device such as the power switch in a switching power supply or the firing of action potentials by a living system such as a neuron. Applications: electrical devices. Electrical motors typically use less than a 100% duty cycle. For example, if a motor runs for 1 out of 100 seconds, or 1/100th of the time, then, its duty cycle is 1/100, or 1%. In electronic music, music synthesizers vary the duty cycle of their audio frequency oscillators to obtain a subtle effect on the tone colors. This technique is known as pulse width modulation. In the printer/copier industry, the duty cycle specification refers to the rated throughput of a device per month. In a welding power supply, the maximum duty cycle is defined as the percentage of time in a 10-minute period that it can be operated continuously before overheating. Biological systems. The concept of duty cycles is also used to describe the activity of neurons and muscle fibers. In a neural network, for example, a duty cycle specifically refers to the proportion of a cycle period in which a neuron remains active. References